In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Webflow. If you want submissions from your Webflow site to automatically appear inside Airtable, this is a simple and efficient way to do it. We'll be using Zapier as the bridge between the two platforms. So once this is set up, your data can move over automatically without any manual copying and pasting. To begin, open Zapier and create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automation that connects one app to another. For this setup, choose Webflow as your trigger app. This means Webflow is the platform that starts the automation whenever a specific event happens on your site. Starting with the correct trigger app is important because it tells Zapier where the incoming data will come from. Next, define the trigger event inside Webflow. Here, you'll choose either form submission or new order, depending on what you want to send into Airtable. If you are collecting leads, contact requests, or sign up information, form submission is usually the right choice. If you're working with e-commerce activity, then new order may be the better option. Make sure you select the event that matches the workflow you actually want to automate, since this determines what data Zapier will receive. Once the trigger is set, move on to the action step. For the action app, select Airtable, then choose the action event called Create Record. This tells Zapier that every time the selected Webflow event happens, it should create a new row or record in your Airtable base. This is the key step that turns your incoming Webflow data into something organized and usable inside Airtable. After that, map your fields carefully. This means matching each piece of information from Webflow to the correct column in Airtable. For example, a name field from your Webflow form should go into the name column in Airtable, an email field should go into the email column, and so on. Take your time here because accurate field mapping is what keeps your data clean and easy to work with later. If your Airtable base already has a specific structure, double check that every field is going to the right place. Finally, test the Zap. Running a test helps confirm that the connection is working and that the data is landing properly in Airtable. If the test record appears correctly, your automation is ready to use. Once everything looks good, turn the Zap on and your Webflow submissions will start flowing into Airtable automatically. That's how to connect Airtable to Webflow.